Short success story. Your gateway to a safety career. Rohan was one of those students who always dreamed of working in a profession where he could protect lives and make workplaces safer. But he didn't know where to begin until he walked into MindCare Counseling Center, Bldg, Goregaon West, Mumbai. He joined the nebosh, IG, and International Job Ready courses, a decision that changed everything. From the first day, he found expert trainers, practical sessions, real-life safety scenarios, and continuous motivation that kept him moving forward. Learning wasn't just about passing an exam. MindCare transformed him into a confident HSE professional. He cleared nebosh IG, earned multiple globally recognized certifications in fire safety, OSH, and HSE. Then within weeks, he had a job offer in hand. Today, Rohan works as a safety officer, leading toolbox talks, preventing accidents, and building a safer workplace every single day. He says, MindCare didn't just train me, it shaped my career. And the best part? Many students like Rohan are already achieving their dreams. So why wait? Don't miss the opportunity. MindCare gives you training, certification, and job support, everything you need to build a global career in safety.